Namaskar. Benefits of wearing Azurite crystal bracelet. It enhances the intuition. It is believed to stimulate the third eye chakra, which is associated with intuition, insight, and spiritual awareness. It also gives the mental clarity and spiritual awareness, emotional healing, and removes the traumas and the negative thoughts. It helps in reducing the stress, anxiety, and tension. It may help create a sense of tranquility and peace, making it valuable for relaxation and stress relief. Enhances the communications, creativity, and balances the chakra, protections from negative energies and psychic attacks. Also helps in dream enhancement. Thank you so much.